In the realm of finance, there's an often overlooked element that holds immense power: your mindset. This isn't about some mystical secret. It's about understanding that your thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes towards money play a crucial role in shaping your financial reality. A positive and empowered financial mindset can be your greatest asset, propelling you towards success. Conversely, a negative or fearful mindset can create roadblocks, limiting your financial potential. This essay explores the profound connection between your mind and your money. We'll delve into how shifting your perspective can lead to dramatic improvements in your financial life. We'll uncover practical strategies to cultivate a wealth-attracting mindset. Get ready to unlock a world of financial possibilities by harnessing the power of your mind. This isn't just about wishing for wealth. It's about understanding the practical steps you can take to change your financial trajectory. By embracing the principles outlined here, you can transform your relationship with money and pave the way for lasting financial well-being. This journey starts with understanding the core of your financial beliefs. Each of us carries a unique set of beliefs about money. These beliefs, often formed in childhood, act as a blueprint, influencing our financial decisions and habits. They can stem from our upbringing, cultural background, or even past experiences. Recognizing these ingrained beliefs is crucial to understanding our financial behaviors. Do you view money as a source of stress or a tool for opportunity? Do you believe wealth is reserved for a select few, or is it attainable for anyone willing to learn and work for it? Examining these deep-seated beliefs is the first step toward reshaping your financial narrative. Our financial blueprint isn't set in stone. With awareness and effort, we can challenge and modify limiting beliefs. Replacing negative thoughts like "I'll never be good with money" with empowering affirmations like "I am capable of creating financial abundance" can have a transformative impact. Remember, your financial destiny is not predetermined. It's shaped by the choices you make and the beliefs you hold. The concept of positive thinking extends far beyond mere optimism. It's about cultivating an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve financial success. Numerous success stories highlight how a positive mindset can manifest into tangible financial outcomes. Consider Oprah Winfrey, who rose from poverty to become a media mogul. Her unwavering belief in her vision, coupled with her resilience and hard work, propelled her to extraordinary heights. Similarly, J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before finding success. Her belief in her story and her determination to share it with the world ultimately led to the creation of a global phenomenon. These examples illustrate that financial success is not solely determined by external circumstances. Your mindset plays a pivotal role. By visualizing your financial goals, believing in your capabilities, and focusing on solutions rather than obstacles, you can attract opportunities and create the financial future you desire. A ship without a destination drifts aimlessly at sea. Similarly, without clear financial goals, you lack direction and purpose in your financial journey. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals provides a roadmap for your financial aspirations. Start by defining what financial freedom means to you. Is it early retirement, owning your dream home, or achieving financial security for your family? Once you've established your long-term vision, break it down into smaller, manageable goals. Instead of simply wishing to save more, set a specific target, such as saving 20% of your income each month. The process of setting goals not only provides clarity, but also ignites motivation. As you achieve smaller milestones, you gain momentum and confidence, propelling you further along your path to financial well-being. Remember, your goals are your personal compass, guiding you towards the financial future you envision. Section 5. Conquering financial fears. Transforming obstacles into opportunities. Fear can be a significant roadblock on the path to financial success. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, and even fear of success can paralyze us, preventing us from taking the necessary steps towards our goals. Acknowledging and addressing these fears is crucial to breaking free from their grip. One common fear is the fear of investing. Many people shy away from investing, believing it's too risky or complicated. However, by educating yourself about different investment options and seeking guidance from financial advisors, you can overcome this fear and potentially grow your wealth. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding financial concepts can alleviate anxiety and empower you to make informed decisions. Another prevalent fear is the fear of not having enough. This fear can lead to a scarcity mindset, where we constantly worry about money and make decisions based on fear rather than abundance. Shifting to a mindset of abundance involves practicing gratitude for what we have and focusing on the opportunities that surround us. By reframing our perspective, we can transform fear into a catalyst for growth and create a more positive and empowered relationship with money. Section 6. Financial literacy. Empowering yourself with knowledge. In the world of finance, knowledge is power. Financial literacy, the ability to understand and effectively manage your finances, is essential for making sound financial decisions. It empowers you to navigate the complexities of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management with confidence. Start by educating yourself on basic financial concepts. Learn about different types of investments, understand how interest rates work, and familiarize yourself with financial products like mortgages and loans. There are numerous resources available, both online and offline, that offer valuable financial education. Consider attending workshops, reading books, or listening to podcasts by reputable financial experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Continuously seeking knowledge and staying informed about financial matters will empower you to make sound decisions throughout your life. Section 7. Building a solid foundation, cultivating healthy financial habits. Financial success is not a one-time event. It's the result of consistently practicing healthy financial habits. Just as athletes train rigorously to achieve peak performance, developing and maintaining positive financial habits is crucial for achieving lasting financial well-being. One fundamental habit is creating and sticking to a budget. Tracking your income and expenses allows you to understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can save. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to simplify the process. Another crucial habit is saving regularly. Aim to automate your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Develop a system for managing debt effectively. Prioritize paying down high-interest debt first while making timely payments on all your obligations. Remember, small changes in your daily habits can have a significant impact on your financial health over time. By consistently practicing these habits, you'll build a solid foundation for financial success. Section 8. The gratitude effect, attracting abundance into your life. Gratitude is often associated with personal well-being, but it also plays a powerful role in our financial lives. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance, attracting more of what we appreciate into our lives. Instead of dwelling on what you lack financially, take time each day to acknowledge and appreciate what you do have. It could be a roof over your head, a stable job, or the ability to provide for your family. This simple practice can shift your energy and open your mind to new possibilities. Gratitude also fosters contentment and reduces the desire for impulsive purchases. When you're content with what you have, you're less likely to overspend or accumulate unnecessary debt. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude, you create a positive feedback loop, attracting more abundance and financial well-being into your life. Section 9. Maintaining momentum. Staying inspired on your financial journey. The journey to financial well-being is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt along the way. That's why it's crucial to develop strategies for staying motivated and inspired, especially during challenging times. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and aspirations. Share your experiences, learn from each other, and celebrate your successes together. This sense of community can provide encouragement and accountability, helping you stay on track. Another powerful tool is visualization. Take time each day to visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine the feelings of joy, security, and freedom that come with financial success. This practice can reignite your passion and keep you motivated even when faced with obstacles. Remember, the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning and growing. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace the journey to financial well-being. Your financial journey is a deeply personal one. It's about more than just numbers. It's about creating a life of freedom, security, and abundance. By embracing the principles outlined in this essay, you can transform your relationship with money and unlock a world of financial possibilities. Remember, your mindset is your most powerful asset. Cultivate a positive outlook, believe in your ability to achieve your goals, and never underestimate the power of your thoughts. Set clear and specific financial goals and break them down into manageable steps. Educate yourself about financial matters, overcome your fears, and develop healthy financial habits that support your aspirations. Practice gratitude for what you have and never stop seeking opportunities for growth and learning. The journey to financial well-being is an ongoing process, but with dedication, perseverance, and the right mindset, you can create the financial future you desire. Embrace the journey and watch as your financial dreams become your reality.